Well, I'm depressed. I'll show you guys in a minute after I get this gator going and get it warmed up here. Just why I'm depressed. Because of that. Yeah. Because of this. Now, I'm not touching a blade, I'm not touching a snowplow, I'm not touching a nothing today. Because you look underneath all this, it ain't froze. It ain't froze to plow or do nothing, so I ain't gonna do it. I ain't plowing, no. Nope. So I got my other dog crate, so I go get my puppies today. I gotta get my puppies. I think I'm getting somewhere in the vicinity of 2 puppies. And they're good sized puppies, I tell you that. Okay. I'm gonna set these dog crates right here because they're good sized puppies. And they need all the room they can get to get turned around and everything, so I'm gonna go do morning chores and I'll be back and we'll go get my puppies. Well, everything's all right in this building. The little Heston sits under this tarp here to help keep the bird droppings off of it. I know Mr. Coates would be proud of me if he were to see this tractor in person. It sits a blade on it to scrape the driveway and stuff, but we won't need it because there's snow and the blade won't work when there's snow. I mean, it will, but it won't. Yeah, you can see out there the ground's not even froze, so yeah, it snowed enough to mess things up. Here's something you do not want to see. Whew. Okay. Whew. Kathy, you scared me. I thought you was dead. You okay? You okay? Come on, get up. Come on. Get up. Come on. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. At least you're alive. That's all that matters. Never underestimate the power of salt. If you guys stand real still. You guys hear that busting up of ice? That's the salt doing its thing. Yeah, I know I can't spread worth a crap, but oh well, at least I tried. So I just got my puppies, but somehow, somewhere, my puppies must have, I guess, changed into chickens on my way home, because I know darn sure for certain that we loaded a puppy in the crates here and it changed. I don't know what happened. But I guess I'm stuck with him for now, so no puppy. I'm sad. out here at the Quay Openhouse. Extended warranty stuff. It's about the size there my tractor is without the loader. Ooh. That's what I'm interested in, but I don't have 23 grand to spend on a chipper. There's something down here that I'm interested in, but it's a little bit over out of my price range. Is this here for $8,400? It would sure make a heck of a difference with blowing leaves, but I don't think we need something that big. So maybe we ought to downsize here to something about like that big. Maybe, hopefully. Echo stuff. I heard Red Max blowers were good too, but I don't know. Didn't try one, so not that interested. But I got my steel and I'm happy with it. So yeah. You know, it is what it is. I got no need for a chipper. But they do come in handy for like when you're cleaning fence rows and stuff. You can chip the brush instead of looking for somewhere to get rid of it. But you know, that ain't my department now. I am in the market for a mower, but with the way this inflation crap is, I don't think it's gonna happen, because you can't get nothing. This is just display stuff. You can't get nothing. You just can't. I mean, it's not there. It's non-existent. Little stump grinder, little sprayer like I had. Little backhoe. And these things would come off and you put 3-point arms on and away you go. Take your hoses off, your PTO pump, I imagine, comes off, and away you go. Take your stabilizers, flop them down, support the thing, stretch your bucket out, and off it comes. But yeah, just can't get this stuff anymore because it's non-existent. It is non-existent. So yeah, here's something that's real cool over here. Somebody took and restored a Kubota tractor. Took and fixed this old girl up, and it runs. It drove itself in here, and there it sits on display. So this was the main tractor back in the day from Kubota. This is probably what started it all, if I had to guess. And then this is what it turns out to be. What, 50,000 square foot or something, I heard, showroom. So yeah, go check them out on Facebook. Koya Sales. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed.